Hi, today I got some happy mail from Sunshine and Chaos Budgeting that I'm gonna open, and there's a whole package. Let's see. So she sent a couple of books. This one's a duck. It looks like a duck or a chick. It has little different challenges. This is color and save. Color and save. Looks saving for a rainy day. Oh, that's cute. Color and save. And Phil Ducky. More butterflies with color and save. And then this one has numbers. I hope I'm in view. And 1s, 2s, and 3s. And then this is Fairies in Candyland. Saving my cheese money. That's cute. Did someone say treats? It's a little game. And it's a kitty cat was someone. Did someone say treats? Color and save. Different butterflies and flowers. This is cute. And then the bingo one. I've been wanting this one. And if you guys watch her, you've probably seen this one on hers. And different bingo. And then this one's 1 through 3. And a scratch and save. Oh, that's the envelope. I think there's a couple envelopes. Yeah. And then scratch and save. And that's its bingo. And then this one's the Oh No, You've Been Skunked game with an envelope. And it's kind of like the one I'm doing now, because this is her group play. It's kind of. And I'll play this when I can. Oops. And then, oh, this is the Candyland one I'm doing. This is her June group play. It's in her Ko-fi shop if you guys want to play it. And then this one's a scratch and save, celebrating dads. I'm going to try to get to this if I can. And then she said she was sending me a budget binder thingy, a budget planner. So that's what this is. This is nice. And then it has for all the months, June, July. And then it looks like she sent another one. Home finance and bill organizer. It looks similar. Thank you, Sunshine. And then this she told me she was making for me. It's a travel the world, I think savings book, and it has unicorns, and it has my Tiny Budget Co. Travels the world. Oh, it's cute. Has envelope and a challenge. I hope I'm in view. I always worry about that. And then it has scratch offs and savings. Luggage. Oh. Hello, Laura. I designed this book for you, knowing you would love to travel. However, if you would like to use it that way and plan. and plans change as they often do. I hope you still enjoy saving with it. Long or short term love, Bunches Midge. Thank you. I don't know if I'm where I'm going, if I'm gonna travel anytime soon. This is for passports, and I've been saving for a passport. And I don't know when I will, but if I don't use it for travel, I'll use it for stuff to save money. I know I'm gonna love it because it has unicorns and it's from you. Bus tickets, train tickets, 1, 2, and 3s, airline tickets, cruise. I want to go on a cruise. I don't know when, but I've never been on one, and I would love to go on one. Tipping, souvenirs. Oh, and then there's more challenges in the envelopes too. And then more circles and scratch offs. Duty fees and taxes. Those would be for, like, I think, port fees. And then it even has trackers. Duty fees and taxes. And then dining with tracker and a challenge. And this challenge, I love it. Sweet treats. Princess. And another scratch off. Thank you so much, Sunshine, for thinking of me. I'm gonna love whether I travel or not, I'm gonna love saving with this. And I'll try to start it soon, or maybe in July. And thank you so much. And now I'm gonna put this away. And oh, if you guys can go subscribe to her if you're not, or share her channel, because she's only 9 away from 1K, and then she still needs about 1,000 watch hours. If you guys could go support her, that would be wonderful, because I know she's trying to get monetized, like most of us, probably all of us that do videos. And now I have 21s, and I have a 5 in here. And I'm gonna find my 12-sided die and my roller. I'm trying to hurry because I'm going to town. I just found out we're going to town with my landlord. So I'm trying to get this done before we go. But I have 12 challenges, and we'll get started. Okay. Let's see. So 10, 2, 10, 10. We'll do another one because it was 10 again. 1, 11, 2, 3, 10, 9, 12, 11. Got the 5. That's for my birthday. 1, 2, 1, 7, 12, 11, 1, 6 wheels. 2, and 1. So first up is Ellie on Earth, and it got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 2 is from Budgeting the Bacon, and it got 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops. And then You Are 1 in a Million, and it got 1. And then 4 didn't get any. 5. So this one's from SC Creations, and it got 1, but I don't have a spot, so I'll just put an X or a line. And then Sunshine and Chaos Budgeting. This is part of a collab, Road to 1K with Sunshine and Chaos Budgeting, Cash Budget Retiree, which is Valerie, I think Budgeting and Craft with On, and Dragonfly Saves. And this one's from Mindy's Budgeting, and it got 1. Oops. And then this one's from Roll and Save from Angela Marie 888, and it got 1, 2, 3. And this one's Happy Birthday from Windmill Ridge Budget Some More. Took from Susan. 5, 6, 7. So 3. I always do that. 3, 6, 7. And then last up is from one of my group play, I think May's group play. This was part of it. So 2. And that's all I have for today. That's all the money. So I'm going to go get ready to go to town. I'm going to try to get this uploaded before I do, or it'll be uploaded when I get back. And I'll see you in the next video. Hope you guys are having a great week. Bye.